Okay, so we're going to review the robotic hand. So Abraham's reviewing the robotic hand and he's going to show how it's working. This is the second day after we built it.
Yesterday it's for a single use, because once you use it once, then it will break down and you have to fix it.
Yeah, there you go. So when you use a hydraulic action, one syringe opening and closes makes the other syringe work. And then the hydraulic action of the fluids in the pipe converts the energy from one syringe to the other. So it certainly is, STEM in that it's learning. It shows you how you can use hydraulic fluids and so forth to make actions happen at a remote space. The disadvantage, of course, is it's really a one-time learning wonder. The cardboard, it doesn't take long before the syringe starts falling out of it, and as you can see here, it's starting to sort of fall out. It's no longer in it. It's unfortunate that they don't use just a slightly stronger piece of cardboard when it's made, or something that at least could be used the next day. But what do you think about it, Abraham?
This is one rubber bean to keep it on, so that this stays in for a lot of time for this. And the other bit of these rubber beans are to get it on the arm.
Yeah. And what have you learned from using it?
That one area can make another area move.
Yeah. And how could you use this in the real world? If you were to build something with this functionality?
Like to get something moving far away.
Yeah. And what did you also learn when we had air in the lines instead of water? So we only had air in the syringes instead of water in the syringes.
It didn't work as well.
Yeah. Do you know why? Do you remember why?
Because air can
Compress, yeah.
Compress, and water cannot.
Excellent, well done.
If you think water's compressed, then it's actually vacuumed.
Yeah, expanding, if you thought, yes. That's when we were opening it up, even though there's water in there, but you could open it out, but you're actually creating a vacuum, or at least a low pressure within the syringe. Anyway, so that's our review of the Art Star Make Your Own Robotic Hand. Great if you as long as you expect it only to work that one, half an hour or hour of activity, and then, I guess, let it go. Which is sad because, again, we need like an E in STEAM, or E for environment, so that we can have something that's a bit more useful as opposed to, a one-time use, which is unfortunate. Anyway, that's our review of the Art Star Make Your Own Robotic Hand STEAM Science Kit.